I'm Sierra from ImagineIF Libraries. Today I'm going to show you how to make felted soap.
You'll need the soap, some wool roving, scissors and thread, and a bowl of hot water. Be aware that the soap in our kits contains fragrance and wool roving contains some lanolin. So if you're sensitive to those things, you may want to use your own materials or skip this activity. First, you'll need to wrap the soap firmly in roving. Next, you may want to cut some threads on top of the wool for color, but this step is optional. Now dip the soap and wool into your bowl of hot water and begin to rub in long, even strokes. If you notice loose bits of wool or a hole forming, pull some wool over and scrub that spot until it evens out. When your wool is firmly felted, rinse under cold water, squeeze out any excess moisture, and let the bar dry out for a day or two. After it is dried, it's ready to use. Thank you for taking time to learn a new skill with ImagineIF Libraries. Happy scrubbing!